Once upon a time, in a sunny village, there lived a wise crow. One hot day, he was very thirsty. He flew over the fields in search of water. His beak felt dry and his throat was parched. After a long search, he spotted a pitcher in a garden. Excited, he swooped down to investigate. When he peeked inside, he saw some water at the bottom, but it was too low for him to reach with his beak. The clever crow thought hard. He noticed some pebbles scattered the ground. An idea sparked in his mind. He picked up a small pebble and dropped it into the pitcher. Plop! The water level rose just a little. The crow tried again, picking up another pebble. Plop! And then another. Each time he dropped a pebble, the water rose higher. After dropping in several pebbles, the water level was finally high enough for him to drink. The crow happily leaned down and took a long, refreshing sip. Ah, sweet water, he talked with joy. Feeling satisfied and clever, the crow flew away, knowing that sometimes a little ingenuity can solve big problems. And from that day on, he always remembered to think creatively whenever he faced a challenge. And so, the thirsty crow lived happily, always seeking new adventures in his sunny village. Thanks for watching.